The last ETF on the list that we're going to look at here is the most popular Fidelity ETF in terms of assets under management, and that is the Fidelity MSCI Information Technology Index ETF. This has a total of $11.78 billion in assets under management. In terms of the benchmark here, this fund aims to replicate as closely as possible the MSCI USA Information Technology Index, which tracks the performance of the large and mid-cap US equities that are within the information technology sector. Simply put, this is a diversified investment into the mid and large-sized US tech companies. You can see here that this has 17.5% of your money going right into Apple, for example, 15.5% into Microsoft, about 15% into Nvidia, and so forth. So you are heavily concentrated here in big tech growth. And if you look at the sector exposure, 99.63% is information technology, and this is going to be a expense ratio here of 0.08%. So not too high, but it is going to be a little bit higher than what we have looked at previously with the Fidelity Index mutual funds.